Apple has announced 7 awesome products in the event held yesterday at Apple Park in California. I'm going to give you the exact summary you need for all the products in this video. So without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? The Apple Card was revealed first in the list by Tim Cook himself. The add-on to the Apple Card this year is the sharing feature, and I quote, "We are happy to announce that Apple Card will allow spouses and partners to share and merge their credit lines, have equal rights on their account, and build credit equally." Next is a brand new Apple product that is affordable and can make our lifestyles much more easier. AirTag uses the Find My network, so iPhone can help you keep track of and find your things. You can personalize your AirTag to make it your own, even with emoji. You can keep track of your AirTag right in the Find My app. Any iPhone with a U1 chip like iPhone 12 uses helpful overlay to guide you directly to a lost item when it's nearby. Apple is calling this as precision finding because your iPhone takes you directly to the AirTags using different sensors. They have included industry-first safety features to discourage unwanted tracking like unwanted tag detection and audible alerts from unknown tags. Apple also took Apple TV to a completely next level this time. They have added award-winning Apple originals including global hit drama like The Morning Show. Apple TV 4K is now built with the A12 Bionic and it can play HDR in high frame rate. This allows video to play more smoothly and to appear more lifelike. Apple also claimed that iPhone 12 can improve picture quality of any TV connected with an Apple TV 4K using some advanced sensors. A new aluminum body Siri remote for the Apple TV was introduced as well. It has a new design and added touch gestures to control the TV. It will be available for $179 with 32 GB or $199 with double the storage capacity. Orders can be placed on April 30 and it will be available in the second half of May. Purple joins the iPhone 12 lineup for pre-order this Friday and it will be available on April 30. And that's all for the iPhone in this event. Now ready for the most exciting part? The 2021 iMac is obviously powered on the 12-core Neural Engine M1 chip. The key features to the iMac are its revolutionary design. With a spectrum of vibrant colors, Apple could finally change the design of the iMac after years and make it a lot thinner. Thanks to the M1 chip, it's just 11.5mm thin. The display on the new Mac is 24 inches and has a 4.5K True Tone display. The iMac also has the best ever camera, speakers and mics ever put in a Mac. A 1080p camera, 3-array mic system and a 6-speaker system. Apple claims iMac is up to 85% faster than the previous 21.5-inch iMac models, and it's up to 50% faster than the most powerful discrete graphics in the fastest 21.5-inch iMac. It has up to 4 USB-C ports including 2 Thunderbolt ports for super fast data transfer and support for up to a 6K display. iMac has a new magnetic power connector which has a sweet spot for an Ethernet connection, and the cable is woven and color matched to the iMac. There are 3 aluminum enclosed keyboards available with the iMac with options for emoji key and touch ID. The new trackpad and Apple mouse are the same in terms of tech, but are now color matched with the iMacs. It starts at just $12.99 in 4 colors, and at $14.99 iMac comes in 7 colors with additional features. Orders can be placed for the new iMac starting April 30. Now the 2021 iPad Pro has taken a big jump in performance because Apple has put the M1 chip in an iPad. Yes, you heard me correct, in an iPad. The 8-core design of M1 delivers a whopping 50% jump over the industry-leading performance of the previous iPad Pro, also delivering up to 40% faster graphics performance according to Apple. The iPad has a ProMotion display, 4 speakers, and now supports PlayStation and Xbox game controllers. Apple has finally upgraded the iPad to up to 2 TB of storage. That is up to 60,000 ProRAW photos. The port on the iPad is now a Thunderbolt with USB 4 support as well. making it the fastest port ever on an iPad. And because of that, the bandwidth for wired connection on the iPad is up to 40 gigabits per second. 5G is also supported by the latest iPad, and that too with the millimeter wave, which Apple claims can give you a speed up to 4 gigabytes. The camera system has a major update on the iPad this year. Apple has included an ultra-wide camera specifically designed for the iPad Pro. It features a new 12 megapixel sensor with a 122-degree field of view, which enables a cool feature called center stage, as Apple names it, meaning it uses the new ultra-wide camera and machine learning to recognize and keep you in the center of the view. And even when you move around, it automatically pans to keep you in the shot. It is available in two sizes, a 11-inch and a 12.9-inch display. The bigger display has 5.6 million pixels, meaning Apple has taken the iPad more further and added their Pro Display XDR to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is the new Liquid Retina XDR display, and it delivers 1000 nits of full screen brightness. The 11-inch iPad Pro still starts at just $799, and the 12.9-inch model is for $1,099. Orders can be placed for the iPad Pro starting April 30th, and it will be available in the second half of May. With the iPad, the new Apple Pencil comes with a support for 5 new languages which you can use in script. I hope I could summarize the event for you guys. Do like and subscribe if you liked the video. Thanks for watching. My name is Mufaddal. This is Apple Vibes. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.